Hello, I'm back. Abaqus tutorial, lesson 105. The second method of creating cohesive element in Abaqus. The video is very relaxed because some students have special requests. Between two parts create cohesive element. The correct cohesive element must be zero thickness. Zero thickness. Very special request. How to do? I will demonstrate for you. First, set work directory. Okay. Part. Create a very simple part. Another part. Assembly. Okay. For instance, part 2 on the part 2 surface create zero thickness cohesive element. Part 2 surface, how to do it? Mesh. Okay. Y direction on the top of this surface create cohesive element must be zero thickness. Okay, sir. Pay attention. Only about 2016 version have this function. This version have this function. Okay. Select the top surface. Done. And remember options. Okay. Needn't. Pay attention. Okay. Next. I only show you the operation. I will not teach the property how to give it, because before class I have teach how to do it. Okay, another partition. Pay attention. Tie. Okay, I will only show part 2 because zero cohesive element have top and bottom. The nodes, this direction top and this direction bottom. Okay, so tie we need use choose select bottom node. Okay, tie node region bottom. Continue surface part 1 geometry select. Done. Okay, default. Okay, this is a very special request because have another first method is very simple. I will show you. Review the operation. One. Okay. One part. Okay, done. And another attention. Attention must choose this cohesive. Okay. You should watch my before class video. Okay, this is very basic operate. Okay, I hope you're happy. This is my WeChat, Chinese WeChat, 80 time. Okay, and by the way, if you have some questions about Abaqus, you'd better record a video. Exactly say what your question is. I think this is the best way. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.